So they are asking the sides of triangle are 43, 96, and 89. Use the Pythagorean theorem to determine if the triangle is right, obtuse, or acute. Now, how do we know if the triangle is right, obtuse, or acute? Now, there are using the Pythagorean theorem. So we know in the Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So if this so happens that the hypotenuse, which we are calling as C, hypotenuse, A and B can be base and can be perpendicular. So if the square of that C, which is hypotenuse, which is going to be the largest side, is equal to the sum of other two, we will say that this is a right angle triangle. If the square is greater than the other two sides, then it's an obtuse. Square is less, then we will say it is an acute. So these are the three criterias for with which we can tell if a triangle is right, obtuse, or acute. Any questions in these criteria?
No.
All right. So let us try one question. Okay. So I had already taken a few examples over there. Okay, let us take the example that you just gave me here. Is the example visible?
Yes.
No. So the sides of triangle are 43, 96, 89. So we know that the largest side square or every side square we actually basically have to take. So over here, let's say this is our C, this is our A, this is our B. So C square, which is equal to 96 squared, is equal to 9216. What is 43 square?
43 squared simplified.
43 square. We want to find out.
It's 1849.
1849. 89 squared.
7921.
Great. Let's add it up. What do we get?
We get 9770.
And we can clearly see that C square is actually less than A square plus B square because C square is 9216 and A square plus B square is 9770. Now, we just saw the criteria. What did it mean? When C
It
square,
meant that you.
so over here, it's acute. So first, we have to fill in that the triangle is acute. So over here, there comes acute because the square of largest side dash the sum of the square of the other two sides. It's less than less than the square of the sum of the other two sides. Okay. Any question in this part?
No.
Let's go to the another question here. Okay. So over here we'll again take the largest side and then we will find.
Oh, your mic is mute.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So our largest side and the other sides we can take any as A and B. So again we find out C square, A square, B square. What is 95 square?
95 square. It's 9025.
Is 87 square plus 40 square.
It's 7,729.
7,729. And this was our 7569. Okay. And now when we do the comparison between uh 7,569 was 87 square, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, here. And the addition is 9169. And over here, if we observe, what does it give us over relationship between a square plus b square and c square?
Um, it is c squared is less than
Yes, it's less than. So a square plus b square is greater than. And what kind of triangle is it?
um acute.
Perfect. Acute. Because the side is lesser. Alright. So here is another one. These are smaller number as compared to that.
Mm-hmm.
Again we got, then this is C, this is A, this is B. Let's check out the C square, A square and B square. What does it give us? What is 22 square equal to?
It's 484.
Great. And over here, 17 square plus uh, 13 square. What is it equal to?
Um, 17 squared is 289, and 13 squared is 169.
Yeah, that's it. And their addition is 458. So what does it
Yeah.
tell us the relationship between c square, a square and b square?
C squared is greater than
Yes. What kind of triangle would that be?
obtuse.
Perfect. It's an obtuse triangle. And let's go with the last example here. 32, 24, and 40. Again, this is C. This we can say is A. This we can say is B. 40 square, 32 square, and 24 square. How much is it?
How much is 40 squared?
Yeah,
It's 1,600.
that's right. 32 square,
1,024.
24 square.
576.
When we add them up, what do we get?
1,600.
1600. What is the relationship they are telling between c square and a square plus b square?
It's right triangle.
Very good. It's a right angled triangle. Okay. Any question with any part?
No.
Okay, let's go to our questions. Oh, sorry. You had to write this down, right?
Could I write down like
Criteria.
the the obtuse right angle and the acute one?
Mm-mm. You're talking about the criteria?
Yeah.
Sure. Let me make it bigger here. This is the one.
Yeah.
Write this down. Let me know when done.
Mm-hmm.